That's Lakshmi Priya Kisan from Odisha. We've seen that girl over the last year or two. Amandeep struggling a wee bit. Thota Sankartina of Chhattisgarh now comes into view there and takes the title. A few puddles out here, but nevertheless, the 1500 meters, which was scheduled to start at 5:35, is just about 25 minutes late. I think it's a tribute to the organizers, it's a tribute to the athletes that they've been able to get underway in just about quick time. So here we are, the first bunch. You got Amandeep Kaur of Punjab, that slender lead. How much is it going to stand her in good stead? But she's got plenty, all 16 of them on her heels, breathing down her. She continues to maintain that lead. Amandeep Kaur. She comes from the wonderful state of Punjab. They will not look at the time of Diksha, 4 minutes 14.02. Diksha also holds the national record at Los Angeles, 404.78 in May 24, which is just a few months ago, preparing for the big games. We are now going to have a few separating, but Amandeep Kaur surely has a plan in front of her. Takes that slender lead of about half a meter, and then goes on from here. Well, this is where the action is all going to take place, and that action, I'm sure, will catapult the girl from Punjab, Amandeep Kaur, to perhaps take those giant strides. She's into her own zone. She's not really bothered about taking or building up a sizable lead. But she's got plan A in action. She now builds it up. The experience of Amandeep Kaur out here builds it up. The others are now segregated from just half a meter. She's now built it up to about 2 odd or 3 odd meters. Will someone have the resolve or the energy to come from behind to take over from her? It doesn't look like. She is into her own zone. That's what I keep on repeating. We will now get into the final part of this race. From here on, it will be number 2 and 3 chasing her. And they will surely chase her for eternity. Amandeep is now being pushed by the number 2. As they come towards the far side, we got about 300 meters to go. It's still Amandeep clinging on to dear life. You got 2, 3 and 4 all breathing down her neck. The second of the girls, Thota Sankirtana of Chhattisgarh, now taking over from her. This is where it's all going to happen. Amandeep, does she have the strength? You got one more girl coming up from behind. That's Lakshmi Priya Kisan from Odisha. We've seen that girl over the last year or two. Amandeep struggling a wee bit. Thota Sankartina of Chhattisgarh now comes interview there and takes the title. Amandeep, I'm sure, disappointed. She dominated the event for a long time in the